Okay, if you are here, that's because you selected interactive timelines and maps as a topic you'd like to study. So you are here at step 1, you are engaged, you are watching me. So you can, when you're done with this video, jump to step 2 to the exploration part of this slide and explore the following web tools. I've listed 2 here, ZMaps and Satori. One optional exploration is ThingLink, and ThingLink, kind of hard to say, kind of loosely fits into this category of interactive timelines and maps, which is why I made it an optional exploration. ZMaps is pretty awesome because you can use a live map of anywhere in the world, zoom in and add access points, directions, annotations. This could be a great way for students to think about and explore history. A topic that comes to mind, for example, could be like the Trail of Tears, plotting different points so that students could really see and get a feel for the distance that Native American tribes walked to Oklahoma. So this is just an example. Here I've given 2 links that you can explore in addition to the actual website. There's a sample map that I created, very simple. It just has 3 points in it, but you can add multiple layers. And then this is a project example that I did not create. Surprise, surprise, because it's called Poetic Voices. But it's actually a great example of a way you can take this resource and make it much grander than just a simple map, but rather give it a theme. Satori, I would say before you even take a look at Satori, go to this link that's called 50 Ways to Use Satori, because those resources are really, really great resources to kind of get a feel for how other educators use it. The interactive timeline is an amazing way to capture students' sequencing skills, history, of course. It could be a way to show a step-by-step process. I think that this tool is endless. And then the optional exploration, ThingLink, it's an application and a web browser, and students can create a picture or take a picture or a map. For example, I think this is a sample that shows an island, and there are different points that they can plot to label them. So it could be a great way for students to learn words like peninsula or the oceans, because each point that they plot, you can attach a video or possibly a photo, and etc. So maps and photos using ThingLink become interactive. When you're done, go ahead and hop to step 3 after you've explored those web tools and record your response to the following prompt on this Flipgrid board. I've linked it here, or you can click here on the button that says click here, and identify one of the web tools you explored on this slide, ZMaps, Satori, or ThingLink, that you could use in your virtual or physical classroom, and give an example of a lesson, unit, or activity that you would use this tool for or with. Now, the Flipgrid, or our Flipgrid board, looks like this. Once you sign in using your Hillel Academy email address, you can respond by hitting the plus. I'm on an iPad, so it's going to open up the application, but yours will open up your browser. Hello. So happy exploring. I hope you enjoy.